Hi, I'm Carol Thompson with Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty. There's two things I love about my job, selling beachfront homes and selling old character homes. The great thing about this listing, it has both. Welcome to 316 Colborne Street here in Port Stanley. I'm going to take you through and show you all the great features of this listing. Going into an old character home like this, it's wonderful to have this front foyer to walk into. Beautiful banister, wainscotting, you've got high baseboards, crown molding, the moldings around the doors, the features are just endless. So it's a really nice renovation to really keep the character in there and make it look modern as well. So come on in, we're gonna look throughout the house here. Some other great features are the pearl knobs. Love to see those. Beautiful high ceilings and windows bringing a lot of light in. Light fixtures and the moldings on the ceilings. Again, another mix of old and new. Right now they're using it as their art studio, but this would make an amazing grand living room. Great place to socialize for sure. And then we wander into this oversized kitchen. So again, you know, a little mix of old and new. I love that some of the cupboards and the dishes have been exposed. Very, very character of the century of this home. And then, yeah, beautiful countertops, nice appliances. And then you wander into the dining room. So then you wander into the back living room space, and it's nice. It's all sunken down, so you come in through a few steps. The wood-burning fireplace, great windows, crown molding everywhere. It's a really cozy spot to sit with family and friends. And then we wander into this beautiful bathroom, heated floors, a lovely glass shower, and a beautiful vanity. So it's a nice mix of old and new in this house. Really well done. Let's go to the second floor, and I'm going to show you the bedrooms. So as we come up the stairs into the second floor with the bedrooms, again, I absolutely love this banister. It's been really well done. So some other great features in here, the hardwood floors, the crown moldings in every bedroom, high ceilings, lots of wonderful features. In this room, you can still see the old original fireplace, and they've redone it really, really well. This is every girl's favorite bedroom. Really nicely done with the striping, typical to that era as well. Coming in here, I love the mix of old and new on this bathroom too. Really stands out. As we wander into the master bedroom, a couple of neat features. Some newer flooring has been put in here, as well as the exposed yellow brick. Really adds a nice feature in here. And the one thing I absolutely love about this master bedroom is having our little French patio. The old railings have been taken off and the new railings are being installed, so it will still be to code, but what a wonderful place to sit out and have your coffee in the morning. And a must-have, we always need a walk-in closet off the master. So we finished a walkthrough through the house, and I wanted to also show you some other great features. There's so many gardens outside, a beautiful barn, so you've got an outdoor shed space to work in. You use it as a workshop or a bunkie, whatever you'd like to use it for. It really extends to the property. Lots of decking out here. There's so much to enjoy about this house. We are located right into Port Stanley, which is an all-year-round village. Your steps to the beach, shopping, dining, everything is right at your fingertips here. So what a great neighborhood to be a part of. So if you're interested in living in this area and in this gorgeous home, please give me a call. I'm Carol Thompson with Keller Williams Lifestyles Realty, and I can be reached on my cell at 519-857-9989.